Welcome in, my future men of millionaires. Man, what another amazing day metamaterials had in the market, man. It's just like putting a smile on your boy's face because this week has been phenomenal. We talked about it in last night's video. There's a stock market rotation happening. That's right. Go look at all the indices, guys. The Russell is doing the best out of all the other like large indices. And what you're seeing is we were the first ones to get hit. That money coming out of those large caps, the money coming out of those safety value stocks, they're dropping anywhere from 7 to 25% because that's where they actually got a little over. Yeah, hard to believe. Value stocks got overvalued because of the inflationary market, and people were selling out of meme stocks, low cap stocks, the Russell 2000 stocks, and that money is flowing back in, and you're seeing stuff like we're going to talk about in today's video. So we're going to start here with a very bullish signal, and I posted this here on my Twitter. I love getting these emails from the FinTel guys. There's nothing more bullish than when you get notifications that insiders are buying the shares. Now, there's a famous quote out there. There's a million reasons why someone could sell a stock, but there's only one reason why someone would buy a stock, because they believe it's going to go up. And that's what this insider here did. Allison here bought 15,000 shares of metamaterials at a cost of $25,000. We posted that there on the Twitter. So thank you to FinTel for sending out that email. George had a tweet out today, guys. He says he was in New York City for the last few days. Had a pleasure to tour the labs of our scientific advisors proof, ALU at CUNY. Absolutely state-of-the-art facilities and talented team, which keep pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery. Thank you, Andrea. Go beyond. And he has some pictures here of the labs and different things here you can see. Looks like some mesh stuff there. You see some hands around there. And there is George. Let me deactivate the camera. There we go. We can see George there. All the there's Ken hiding back there too, man. How cool would that be? Just be strolling down the street and there's George and Ken on the street. It'd be pretty cool. And then there's a picture with the Meta logo, Go Beyond in the background as well. And Smokey here did a nice tweet. Thank you to our buddy Uncle Smokey for posting this here. Actually has a picture along with the official filing here of Alice and purchasing those 15,000 shares at an average cost of $1.66 back on the 17th. So she's already happy with that purchase because we're going to see what we're up to today. Also, guys, check out the pinned comment. It's also linked on my Twitter account here. Looking to get a new brokerage, Webull right now has a great promotion. Download Webull, fund the brokerage. You get up to 6 free stocks valued up to $12,600. And they're also going to be trading OTC here in the future. So if MMTLP is still trading, you can buy it there as well. All right. So looking at the chart here today, metamaterials is up. Yeah, I know, right? We were doing videos for so long. Metamaterials is down, metamaterials is down, metamaterials is down, metamaterials is down. I know, broken record. But this week, metamaterials is up, metamaterials up, metamaterials up. Metamaterials down 0.5%, and metamaterials up today 6.47%. Let's go. Man, we just keep mooning up every single day, guys. Yesterday was the only day that we had a down day, and it was 0.5%. It was 1 penny. 1 penny we went down. It was a 0.5% loss, but today up 6.4%. And this here looks like just a straight moonshot, guys. Up 45.97% in the past 5 days. And this is the thing. There's not like large amounts of volume pouring into this, guys. Like, we're going to get into volume for today. But all week as we've been covering volume, you may see 7, 8, 10 million. That is good volume. We like seeing that because that is above our average daily volume. But when the stocks are rocking and rolling, when the meme stocks are rocking and rolling, and short squeezes are coming in, you're talking 200, 300 million volume a day you will see. Could you imagine we're up this amount, 45% in 5 days on barely above average volume, which is exciting that we're above the average volume. Speaking of volume, like today, we were just shy of it. Average volume 5.1 million. We traded 4.7 million, and we were up 6.5%, guys. If we had that 100 million volume, 200 million volume, 300 million volume. We could almost double in a day, not even lying. I mean, there could be people in there trading, buying, profit taking, all that, but we could literally double in a snap of a fingers if we had some serious volume pour back in. And if the market is starting to rotate back into the meme stocks, into the small cap stocks, into the Russell 2000 stock, that may start to bring traders back in because you're seeing the value stocks like Target, Walmart, Costco, Dollar Tree. Guys, you know it's bad when value stocks like the Dollar Tree is going down. What? I know, right? Dollar Tree, that's the most safest business model there is out there. And that stock is going down because it's like branded safe value stock. So all the stocks now got hit. Money has to go somewhere. Some people's keeping cash on hand, but a lot of it you're seeing here rotate back into the small cap stocks. So after hours, we did get back 1%, $1.79. We don't care about the after hours. All right, so next here is the MMTLP preferred share dividend. Broke even for today, $1.24. We had low volume on it. Average volume is 479,000. We traded 156,000. Now, going back to my link there on Webull, if this gets traded on Webull, I think the volume would pick up. I really think it would bring a whole new slew of buyers in. Look at this here, guys. And right now, the futures are up, according here to Yahoo Finance. S&P futures up 0.75%. The Dow futures up 0.63%. NASDAQ futures over 1%. And the Russell is almost that 1% up. So let's hope those futures stay green for now. Because last night the futures were red, but the market went really green today. And the Russell, really, mainly Russell stocks. All right, oil prices, they're up, man. Gas is up, oil is up. Like I said, it's a good and bad thing. There's like talk in the news that gas at my area is going to be like $6 or something by summer here in August. So yeah, smashing the thumbs up, leaving those comments down below for the algorithm will help your boy get some gas. We'll take all the support we can get. WTI crude at $111.50. Brent crude at $111.80. Natural gas at $8.08, guys. All right. So we're going over here to the Fintel and we're noticing something here. We've been covering this. The days to cover have been slowly coming down. So I'm thinking there is shorts returning shares. And one thing I think we were talking about, you know, I've been doing the John Berta series. And we just covered there where Berta made that comment and just one of the videos ago about Berta. When will shorts let a stock alone in a sense? When will the main part of shorts slowly leave a stock? When there is proof of concept and when they believe that there is something there now, that we're not just a pump and dump company, that we are a legit company. And I think that GlucoWise was the main thing they saw. And they said, you know what? We better slowly just give these shares back and slowly just get out of this position while we can. Because as we know, as George said in his tweet, FDA approval, bye-bye market cap. And that's not even included if the dividend gets placed on top of that, man. So here we can see 7.55 days to cover. So about a week and a half for the shorts to cover. Short squeeze score, guys, we're still setting pretty. 96.90. We are the 8th stock primed for a short squeeze score. Now, we was number 4 yesterday. We're back to an 8, and I think that's because shorts are returning shares. I'm going to here and look. Short shares that are available is 50,000. Like I said, that's nothing, guys. We were down to 0. 50,000 shares isn't going to make or break any stock trading on the stock market. So they basically still have nothing in a sense to want to borrow or short the stock. Go down here and look. The short borrow fee is still setting up very high, which is nice. So according to the Fintel, the brokerage here, 126.2%, guys. So we did come down from a couple days ago. We were 174. So this is where I'm saying the shorts are slowly wanting to return these shares. Maybe these longer shorts wanting to close out their positions while they're green. Now, there could be newer shorts coming in, seeing if the stock will come back down, seeing what the market does. But I think you're starting to see here, we may not be getting shorted unless the market takes a turn for the worse here. Fender short volume ratio, 48.61%. And we go look at the aggregate short volume ratio at a 53.05. and short interest percent of flow is a 28.25. That was pretty much the same according to the Ortex data I saw posted on Twitter as well. So, like I said, guys, things are looking good. Let's hope the Russell keeps rocking and rolling. We could expect a few red days here and there. Friday's usually a red day, but maybe we'll change it and get another green day. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, because you know I need that gas money. And I will catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.